Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. This is Hero and I am selling the wedding stuff guys. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel guys, please subscribe right now. You will find the special price on this YouTube channel guys. So today we just available the beautiful chair which is you can see on here guys. This chair is with just the special today 230 and any color is available. So if you need any color guys, let me know in the comments guys. And now just the problem is here in Joburg, but tomorrow I think everything will be okay. So I hope then will be okay. Some 2 days my shop is closed, but tomorrow then will be open. So if you want to anything you order, you can order to me on WhatsApp, guys. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like and share, guys, and be safe. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.